Have you ever wondered how a nuclear reactor generates power? Join us as we break down the complex process into simple, easy-to-understand steps. Nuclear energy is a powerful and clean source of electricity, relying on the immense energy stored within the atom's nucleus. A nuclear reactor is essentially a machine designed to control nuclear reactions, primarily to generate heat that can be converted into electricity. The core principle behind a nuclear reactor is nuclear fission, which is the process of splitting heavy atoms to release energy. To achieve controlled fission, a reactor needs several key components that work together seamlessly. The fuel rods typically contain uranium-235, the material that fissions. Control rods, often made of materials like boron, absorb excess neutrons to regulate the reaction. The moderator, usually water or graphite, slows down fast neutrons. The coolant, which can be water or gas, transfers the immense heat generated by the fission process. Now let's explore the moment-by-moment process of nuclear fission within the reactor core. It all starts when a neutron strikes a uranium-235 atom, causing it to become unstable and immediately split. This splitting releases a tremendous amount of heat energy, along with 2 or 3 additional neutrons, continuing the reaction. The key to a reactor is maintaining a controlled, sustained chain reaction, not a runaway explosion. Control rods are inserted into or withdrawn from the core to precisely manage the rate of fission by absorbing excess neutrons. The moderator ensures that neutrons are moving at the right speed to cause further fission, keeping the chain reaction sustained efficiently. The purpose of all this controlled heat is to generate steam that drives electricity production. The hot coolant flows through pipes to a steam generator, boiling water in a separate circuit to create high-pressure steam. This steam then rushes past massive turbine blades, causing them to spin, which in turn powers a generator to produce electricity. Nuclear safety is paramount. Reactors are built with multiple layers of protection to prevent the release of radiation. Safety features include backup cooling systems and extremely robust reactor vessels designed to withstand high pressure and temperature. The entire core is housed within a thick, steel-reinforced concrete containment building, the final barrier against any accidental radiation release. Nuclear power is a reliable, low-carbon energy source vital for meeting global energy demands while combating climate change. In short, controlled fission creates heat, that heat makes steam, and that steam turns a turbine to produce electricity. Nuclear reactors are a foundational pillar in the move toward a clean and sustainable energy future. Thanks for watching.